Morning, guys. Yeah, the Corvette's gone. My next project, the 56 Chevy Belair. I'm putting Art Morrison frame in it. LS driveline. It's a 515 with a 4L80 transmission. I'm just prepping the frame up for coil hard lines, whatever I got to do before I mount it up permanently that's easy to get at. I've had it here for about 4 weeks. The Corvette's gone. I'm going to be a few more weeks. I'm going to do an aluminum firewall inner fenders for it. And in the Corvette spot, I've got a 70 Celica. It's all Corvette driveline. It's got an LS motor in it as well. It's been here and there a few times as it's just got out of the upholstery shop now. The upholsterer took everything all back out because I got to wire it. And I have to make the motor run. Should be a pretty wild ride. I'll update with some video after it's all assembled up. But that's my next couple of projects. Till next time.